guys, it is Cindy from Sister Saving You Cents, and welcome back to Sister Saving You Cents. Did I just say that? I said welcome back to Sister Saving You Cents. Anyways, guys, today is Sunday, May the 22nd. We're about to head over to CVS, or me, and we're going to pick up some deals. So there are a couple of hot deals. Now, mind y'all, like I say every single time, I'm basing these deals off of my CRTs. And we still don't have the juiciest CRTs, okay? But we have some simple deals that you can do, and you know I'm kind of all about the simplicity. I want you to be able to get in and get out and score you some great items. So I'm gonna say we have about 4 or 5 freebies, some super easy things, some all digital deals, some things you need absolutely no coupons for. So we are going to head into CVS and see what we can pick up. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so I actually forgot to tell you guys one important thing about this week. So the Epic Beauty event started today, May 22nd. So you're going to get back 10% in extra bucks on all beauty. Okay, and this runs through June the 4th. Sorry, y'all, I had to pull it up so I could literally read it. So that includes cosmetics, fragrance, hair color, facial, acne, you know, skin, on-the-go skin, hand and body lotions, anything beauty. It excludes like sun stuff most of the time, guys, so just kind of keep that in mind. Shave, deodorant, I don't think it includes that stuff. Anywho, you can earn up to $20 for each event, and then you'll receive your 10% back 2 days after the end of the promotion, which would be June 4th, so 2 days after June 4th. So I think that's everything I need to let you guys know. Now I'm about to head into the store so that way we can go over some of these great deals. All right, y'all. Alright, y'all, so here's the first deal. This is on the Skintimate Bloom or Spark razors. Now, y'all, it also works on the Chic items. It is a buy two, get a $10 extra care buck this week. I just went with these because they're some of the more affordable options. So the Skintimate Bloom and Spark are priced at $10.79 in our store. When you pick up two, it's going to be $21.58. If you have a 5 off of 20 CRT, use that. And then you're going to use 2 of the $4 off of 1 coupons from Smart Source 515, and you'll pay $4. You're gonna end up paying like $8.58. You'll get back $10 in extra care bucks, which is gonna make this deal completely free and a $1.42 moneymaker. Now, y'all, I'm actually not gonna be picking up any razors today because I'm completely out of coupons. But I wanted to tell you about the deal because it's a fantastic deal. So keep this deal in mind, and we're gonna mosey on to the next deal. If they're on sale for $5.99, you're gonna pick up 3 of them for $17.97. You're gonna use 4 of the $4 off of 1 from Smart Source 515. And y'all, these are the disposable version, so use the disposable $4 coupon, okay? Then you'll end up paying $5.97. You'll get back $5 in extra care bucks, making these just 97 cents. Now, if you have a 6 off of 30 CRT like I do for razors this week, I would combine this deal with the razor deal here, and then it'll end up being free for both because you have that overage. But if you have a 5 off of 20, you can use it on this deal, or you could use it on this deal. It's completely up to you. All right, y'all, pick it on up. So I went ahead and went up and did a price check. So the Skintimate razors, they are $5.99. This is just the wrong sticker, y'all. This is actually for Beauty 360. So I'm gonna just take this off here in a second. But anyways, yes, $5.99. We're all good to go. They're by I think it's, is it 2 or spend 20? Spend 15, get 5. I'm sorry. So they're spend 15, get a $5 extra care buck. So that's why I'm saying get 3. So just kind of adjust according to your extra bucks. Alrighty. All right, so here's the next deal. This is super easy, no coupons needed. So the Sure deodorant is priced at $2 this week, and so is the Brut, I don't know how you say it, deodorant priced at $2. When you pick up 1, you're gonna get a $2 extra care buck, simply making it free. So go ahead and pick up 1 this week. All right, y'all. The next deal is on the Tresemme, guys. So the Tresemme is priced at 2 for $10 this week. As you can see, the tags are not up, so I can't tell you all of which ones it works on. But I did scan the keratin. That one worked fine. I added it to my cart online, and it's working fine. So they're 2 for $10. We have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon, and we have a $2 CRT. So check your CRT, see if you have this $2 CRT. You'll end up paying $3. You'll get back $2 in extra care bucks, making this deal just $1 or 50 cents each, which is not bad at all for Tresemme. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably pick this up, and you should pick it up too. All right, y'all. I am over here at the NYX Professional Makeup. Y'all know, or maybe you don't know, we have a really great deal on NYX this week. So they're buy any two, get a $6 extra care buck. So, and that's a limit of one. So I did a deal based on my CRTs. I have a $4 off a 12 CRT, a $3 CRT, and a $1 CRT. So the things I'm going to be picking up is one of the butter glosses. These are priced at $5.49. And then I'm also going to be picking up one of these jumbo eye pencils for $6.29. So here's my items right here. This is what I'm picking up. The black one rang up at $6.29. And then the purple like butter gloss. These two items together are going to total me $11.78. So I'm going to use that 4 off of 12, utilizing the 98% rule. The $1 CRT and the $3 CRT. I'm going to pay $3.78 and I'm going to get back $6 in extra care bucks, making this deal completely free and a $2.22 moneymaker. So super easy deal. If you have these same CRTs, do this deal. Guys, if you don't, you can definitely do this online or in store, just depending on how much your eye and lip pencils are. They're very expensive in store, but online they're like $2.99 or $3.99. And if you have the $3 CRT, which you should, then you can do a great deal online and just order it to the house. I'm not sure if it ships for free. You'll have to kind of figure that out, but a great deal nonetheless, so pick it on up. Now, what I can say is that I'm super thrilled that they have the Covergirl brow pencils because this is a fantastic moneymaker. So let's jump into how you pick these up for completely free and almost a $6 moneymaker. So these are $6.29 in my store. So when you pick up two, it's going to be $12.58. Now, I'm going to show you what I have on my phone, which is the $4 digital coupon. And then I have a $4 CRT. So I'm going to use both of those. And then I also am going to use a $4 printable coupon that I printed. I can't show it to you because I haven't even cut it yet. Anywho, guys, so that's going to take off $12 because we have two digitals or two coupons for $4 and one $4 CRT. So I'm going to pay 58 cents for two of these, get back $6, making this free and a $5.42 moneymaker. So if you don't go do any other deal this week, go and pick up this deal because it's fantastic, especially if they're priced at $6.29, because you just can't beat this. And I know everyone has 1,000 of these easy breezy brows, but listen, just be easy breezy and go make you almost $6, okay? All right, y'all. Okay, so I wanted to tell y'all about this deal because I just wanted to see if the $3 Dove CRT that we received would attach. Now, you can scan it in the store when you get there, of course, but these bars are priced at $2.29 in my store. The $3 CRT is attaching, so if you're the kind of person that doesn't really hold your CRTs from one week to another, this is a great deal to kind of pick up for today. I'm not exactly sure if the Dove is going to be on sale next week. All right, so this is everything I'm going to be picking up. I will keep you guys updated on what all works. I'm going to go ahead and test out the Dove bar just to make sure that it does attach, and I'll keep you guys posted, but I think these will be some really great deals, especially that Covergirl. I'm super excited, so let's see how everything goes. All right, y'all. So we are out of the store. I did 2 separate transactions. Super simple, okay? My store was out of a couple of things that I wanted to pick up for the spend 30 and the spend 30 get 10 and the spend 45 get 15. So I just opted to not do those unless I kind of figure out something later on in the week. Let's kind of jump into the 2 transactions that I did. And like I said, if there is no other deal that you do this week, go and do the Covergirl deal this week, okay? Because it is fire. So let's go through what we picked up. We picked up the Sure deodorant. Let me roll up the windows. We got dogs barking. So I did the Sure deodorant. We know these are $2. You get $2 back. Extra care bucks makes it completely free. And then we have the Covergirl Easy Breezy Brow Feels. Picked up 2 of those. I told y'all that. They were $6.29 each. So y'all know that. And then I did test out the Dove Original Bar. This was priced at $2.29. I did use the $3 CRT just to see if it would work because I wanted to tell you guys about it. And it worked. So let's kind of go over the receipt. So I had the $4 coupon, paper coupon for the printable for the Covergirl. That came off just fine. Then we had a $4 digital for the Covergirl, and that was a digital coupon. Then we had the $4 Covergirl Cosmetics, and that's the CRT that everyone got this week, okay? So we had $12 come off that $12.58. As I mentioned, we only paid 58 cents for those 2, and we're getting back $6. Then I had the $3 on the Select Dove. Now, of course, that was decreased to $2.29, but the full $2.29 came off. And then, of course, we just paid for the Sure, and that was $2, and then we're going to get that back. So all in all, I ended up paying $2.58. I rolled $2.42, and then I ended up getting back $6 in extra bucks. So I don't know if you guys can see that. I was trying to cover up the goods there. But let me kind of just show you guys what the receipt looks like as far as what came off and what didn't. Hopefully that'll zoom in the way I want it to. But this was a fantastic transaction. So definitely go pick up these deals. Super easy deals. Now the second transaction that I did, and I did have an issue with, but it's still free, so we're happy, was the Tresemme. I bought the keratin. These are 2 for $10 this week. And then I also picked up, hold on while I put that somewhere, the NYX Butter Gloss, as I guys showed you, and the pencil. Okay, so we bought these 2. Now, those 2 items, and the thing I was trying to test out with the NYX was whether or not that 4 off of 12 would come off, and it did. So let's go over that deal first. The Butter Gloss was $5.49. The Jumbo Eye Pencil was $6.29. I had a $4 off of 12 NYX Makeup CRT. I had a $3 off of NYX. So I had $7 come off of that, and that's all that came off. I was expecting to have an additional $1 CRT come off, but it did not come off. And that's okay. I still went ahead and got it. And then we had the $5 digital coupon for the Tresemme come off. And then we also had the $2 CRT for the Tresemme come off. So really great deals. I ended up paying 78 cents, and then I got back $8 in extra care bucks, y'all. Okay, so while I was recording with the camera, it just died. So I just wanted to finish up saying that the Revlon and the NYX ended up being a really great deal. And also it was just free. And then the Covergirl ended up being a $5.42 moneymaker. That as a whole, because the Dove was free, and then the other items in there were free as well. So just a great deal overall. So if you guys are looking for some simple deals to do this week, then definitely head over to CVS, try out some of the things that I suggested for this week, and let me know if you enjoyed them, if they were easy. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you on Monday's video. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.